Let's say you have to study 4 subjects. Now, shall I study 4 hours on one subject or 1 hour each subject? How should I plan my studies on a daily basis? Again, this is a very interesting question. Sometimes it's important to devote a dedicated 4 hours to one subject. The simple reason being because you are in a flow of understanding. By the time you gain that flow that okay, I'm able to understand this concept, and now you say okay, 1 hour over, let me switch to another subject, then you are gone. That means you don't realize what you have lost there. So it's very important that in that circumstance you give wholeheartedly 4 hours to one subject. Sometimes in other circumstances it so happens that you feel monotonous, that today for so long I have been studying this subject, this is taking a toll on me, I'm not able to focus, I'm not able to concentrate well now, I'm exhausted. At that point you can definitely have an idea to have two subjects or switch between subjects. But make sure if you are stuck in some concept, at that point you drag that concept fully and ensure that you have wholeheartedly understood that concept without any doubts. So that's extremely important while you are doing your studies. So make sure what is in line with the content that you are studying. Based on that you would have to judicially decide that whether I need to keep it stretched for the coming duration or I can switch between the subject. But yes, moreover, it's a good idea to handle at least two subjects on a daily basis. That's one primary reason is a change, and the second primary reason is acquaintance and a proper revision on a regular basis.